Hi, I'm Marcus with South Bay Home Rental. I'm the CEO and responsible broker. We're doing residential property management for the South Bay area in California. I came across Latchel about 2 years ago and needed a solution to more readily jump on service requests as they came across to us. I found it hard as we were growing to always be able to attend to maintenance needs as they came across, especially for maintenance calls that came very late. And sometimes this requires some basic troubleshooting with the tenant. I found a lot of value working with Latchel and the Latchel team to really customize our service based on our own needs, especially for some of my clients that have home warranties or preferred service vendors. We're really able to customize the level of service that they really needed from us. Since using Latchel, all of my tenants have seen very responsive maintenance requests being handled. We just looked at recent numbers that all emergency maintenance requests were able to be handled under 23 hours from when they first inputted it. A lot of requests have been handled just over communication directly between Latchel and our tenants. Sometimes it's as easy as flipping a breaker, but a tenant won't know that unless they get walked through it. So it's been so important for me. I love Latchel. I look for many more years to come, and I can't imagine not having Latchel as part of my main service to my tenants and to my owner clients.